some of the material that I replaced, how it was all eaten up and rotted. Okay, so I put some Rust-Oleum rust stop on the springs just so that they don't rust on the fabric and all. Okay, I've cut out some canvas to put over the springs, and I'm just sewing in little loops on the bottom so I can put wire in so I can hog ring it to the springs. I've sewn pockets in all the way around the edges so that I can now feed wire through. I just got a spool of wire from Home Depot, and I'm going to feed those through, and then I can hog tie those to the springs. Started putting the hog rings in just to get it sort of positioned, and then I'll pull it tight around the back. Well, I've got the canvas attached to the bench frame now, just using the metal rods in the pockets and using hog rings. I've wrapped 1-inch foam over the top of the canvas, and I've hog ringed it. I've put the cover on now that I've put pockets and wires around. I still have to work on the corners. You can see again, I've hog wired the wire around to the springs. I had to hand sew the corners together in the back because of the 3 different angles. I also stuffed in some poly in the corners to make the outside edges puffier. So the back seat of the 57 4-door Olds is redone with the original fabric, and I've just repaired all the different parts and refoamed and fixed the springs.